Hello, YouTube. Well, I'm a numbskull. What can I say? And I was talking about gonna redo this fan. Let me stop old Sean here.
I really appreciate all your
Okay,
support.
maybe
I
it
can't do
won't.
this without
Yeah,
each and every one of you.
That'll work. On redoing this fan, and yeah, I did such a wonderful, great job. As you can see, this is where I started filming. I was gonna film the whole darn thing, and then yeah, I forgot to bring out the darn camera. So I think what I'll do then, since I started it this way, I'll just keep going with this way. It's about, well, it took apart now, and except for these little pads, I had to put some WD-40 in there, and if that doesn't work, then I'll have to cut them off somehow. But I'm gonna start sanding on it, and you're not gonna see me sanding. I'm just gonna use that sander or a hand pad or whatever, and you'll just get to see it when it's, I don't know, I guess, done. Anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. I guess I'll be back at a short stage to show you what I got done. All right, I'm back, guys. Oh, I think this is my newer bottle. I'm not quite sure. You guys see all that rust that's all over? It's really bad on the bottom. And I'm just gonna use muriatic acid. I'll be back. I'm not gonna put this on my head. It's kind of a boring thing, so I'm just gonna pour that on there, and I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done. All right, boys and girls, it's another different day. I will let you see there is one color that I'm not counting as color on the deal, some primer. And as you can tell in the first video, how I showed you all the tricks to disassemble the fan, and now that you can see, and all the tricks it takes to strip the fan, I am now going to show you how to Bondo up these little dents that I mean, that one's pretty darn close. I probably might not have to put it. I'm gonna put a little skim over that, and I'll show you how to bondle up this big old nasty mess. I don't know if you can see the holes in it, but yeah, we'll show you how to do all that. So next step, I'll show you all the tips and tricks I have for bondoing. So stay tuned and enjoy. All right, boys and girls, we are back, and we've got it all bondoed up and some primer gone on it. I hope you learned a little from these little tips and tricks I just showed you. And the next will be painting. Well, I still have to do a little bit of work on it. I'm gonna clean up some of, like, there's little boo-boos around like that, a little place where some Bondo got stuck in there. So really now it's just the first little bit of primer, and I'm gonna clean up all the little yucks that are still in there, and then reshoot it with primer. And like right there, that's kind of a bad spot. I'll have to clean that up a lot, but little bits of here and there. But I hope you guys have enjoyed all these little tips that I've been showing you, and the next one will be putting some color on. So I hope you enjoy that stage, and stick around and see how we do this. Thanks, guys. Good morning, YouTube. Here we are, finally going to show you how to paint the fan, and here it is. It's been sitting here probably for weeks, and I hadn't finished the video. Looks pretty nice though, don't it? All right, I think it looks nice. I mean, the inside, it all turned out pretty good. You can't really see in there. You can kind of see where it's still a little pitty because I didn't do anything up there, but man, it looks good, don't it? I still gotta put on make a knob. Hold on a sec. Here was, I still gotta pinstripe it. It's just going down the sides is where I'm gonna pinstripe it. I just hadn't, like, I don't know, felt the want to, I don't know what you call it, but here is going to be the two different, and I got to add white too, but I only got to grab these two cans just to show you, because everybody knows what white looks like. And I think it'll look, here, maybe I'll get on this side, maybe it'll be better. I think that'll be a cool looking pinstripes on it. You'd have to see it in real life. It looks maybe a little different than what you're seeing right now, but there it is. Hope you liked all the tips and tricks that it took to do this thing, and subscribe, and I'll catch you later.